Today, I'm gonna show you how I use Reels on Instagram to make fun and cute videos. All right, so on your Instagram, to go to your stories, and down here at the bottom, it's live stories or Reels, so you'll swipe to the right. Here is kind of where you will record this down to record, but I'm gonna show you some other cool features first. So you can go ahead and pick your music and which part of the song you want. You can click done or cancel. You can click your different speeds. I really like to do 2 times or 3 times speed. And for each clip, you can edit that. You can also do fun filters. Sometimes if I'm doing one for a workout, I'll do that filter and have fun. And then this one is the timer. I love this one when I'm trying to do something and I don't want to be shown that I'm clicking the button. So say if I'm here, now, if I do the timer, this is how long it's going to record me. So I want to do just a quick little second. I'm going to set the timer. When I click this, it's going to count down and then it's going to record. So I would like put it up against something and then I would click record and then look and I go. And it's going to speed up that video. So you can take a look at what you just did. Sorry, like that. And then you could go back and keep doing your short clips. You could always do timer, you could do the speed, and for each clip you can edit it. The align button, it gives you like if you want to do in the same position as before, but I don't really mess with that. And then once you're done, you just click this. You can add some stickers or whatever. And then you can post it to your Reels. You can also share it to your feed, or you can go ahead and add it to your stories there. Hope this helps.
Four, three, two, one, let's go! Level up,